Hey, ever feel like you're stuck in a project support role, doing the work, keeping things afloat, but not getting the recognition you deserve? Well, you're not alone. I've been there. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the essential tools that every project manager needs to master, not just to survive, but to lead. These tools will help you build confidence, get noticed, and step into the PM role that you're ready for. First, though, let me ask, why should you care? Well, project managers use tools to plan work, make team collaboration visible, manage risks and schedules, automate routine work, and show stakeholders progress, all so that projects finish on time, on scope, and with predictable outcomes. The core value that these tools provide are things like planning and scheduling, creating timelines, dependencies, critical paths, and resource allocations so complexity is visible and decisions are data-driven. Also work tracking and status, assigning tasks, capture progress updates, and keep one source of truth for who's doing what and when. In terms of transparency and collaboration, there's real-time boards, comments, file attachments, and notifications which reduce email churn and clarify accountability. There's reporting and dashboards. You can roll up project metrics like status, risks, burn, milestones into executive-ready views. There's automation and templates, reducing repetitive admin like notifications, approvals, recurring tasks, so teams can focus on value work. There's integration and ecosystem. You can connect with tools like Slack, or Git, calendars, file stores, and test systems to keep information in sync and reduce manual handoffs. So then again, why should you as an aspiring or early career project manager care? Well, you're going to be expected to show deliverable level control. Employers want PMs who can produce timelines, status reports, risk logs, and tools the team already uses. So tool fluency multiplies impact. Knowing how to configure boards, build dashboards, and automate approvals lets you spend time on decisions, not admin. Tools can make trade-offs visible, resource overload, schedule slack, dependencies, so you can negotiate scope, timelines, or budget with evidence. Consider career leverage. Many organizations list tool experience like Jira, Microsoft Projects, Smartsheet, Monday.com as preferred in job listings. So fluency shortens onboarding and signals competency. In terms of cross-functional influence, well, mastery of reporting and integrations positions you as the PM who connects delivery, product, and stakeholders, not just the person who checks boxes. So here are some practical next steps to get useful skills quickly. Pick one representative tools to study from maybe two categories, such as scheduling and deep planning using something like Microsoft Project. For agile development tracking, consider Jira. Business ops collaboration, there's Smartsheet or Monday.com. Build 3 artifacts you're going to reuse in interviews. A project plan with dependencies, a one-page status dashboard, or a sample backlog with a sprint plan. Practice setup tasks, create templates, configure automations, build a dashboard, and export reports for stakeholders. Now, this may sound like a lot of work, but it can get you noticed, and in this job market, getting noticed is very important. So be prepared to show what you know. Highlight outcomes, not clicks. In your portfolio or interviews, show how tool-driven visibility saved you time, reduced risks, or improved delivery predictability. And using metrics or examples are absolutely the best. So here's a quick recommendation on how to approach this. Start with a free or low-cost account on a visual platform like Monday.com or Smartsheet to practice boards and dashboards, then learn Jira basics for agile flows and a scheduling tool or PMP-style Gantt for formal planning. This combination covers a lot of real-world PM needs. So here are the most likely tools you'll need to study up on. Let's talk about planning and scheduling tools. So let's start with the backbone of project management, planning and scheduling. These tools help you define scope, set timelines, and keep everyone aligned. Microsoft Projects, Smartsheet, these are great for building Gantt charts, tracking dependencies, and managing timelines. Smartsheet is more collaborative and user-friendly for non-technical teams. There's ClickUp, Asana, Trello, visual task boards that help you break down work into manageable pieces. perfect for agile teams or fast-moving environments. There's Notion and Confluence. These are your digital notebooks. Use them to document project plans, meeting notes, and decisions in one place. In terms of communication and collaboration tools, remember that PMs don't just manage tasks, they manage people. So communication tools are your lifeline. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams. There's real-time messaging, file sharing, and integrations with other tools. Use channels to keep conversations organized by topic or project. Then there's Zoom, Google Meet for remote meetings, stakeholder updates, and team check-ins. Loom, now this is a hidden gem. Record quick video updates or walkthroughs for asynchronous communication. It's great for explaining complex ideas without a meeting. In terms of reporting and analytics tools, to get recognized as a leader, you need to show impact. Well, these tools are going to help you tell the story of progress. Tools like Power BI and Tableau, they turn raw data into dashboards that speak to executives. Learn to highlight risks, milestones, and return on investment. Use tools like Google Sheets and Excel, still essential. Use formulas, pivot tables, and conditional formatting to track budgets, timelines, and resource allocation. And many of these tools in the Microsoft suite are now integrated with Copilot. Jira reports, burn down charts. Well, if you're in a tech or agile environment, these help you visualize sprint progress and team velocity. And by the way, I've written an article in my newsletter that's all about using burn down charts. I use them frequently, and they've been essential in tracking progress rates. There's a link in the description below, so go read that as homework. Just kidding. Okay, let's move to risk, resource, and stakeholder management. These tools will help you anticipate issues and manage relationships. RAID logs, and RAID stands for risks, assumptions, issues, and dependencies. You can build these in Excel or Notion. It helps teams stay aligned by documenting potential obstacles, decisions, and critical factors that could impact delivery or outcomes, and it helps you stay proactive and transparent. There's a RACI matrix. This clarifies roles and responsibilities. Use it to prevent confusion and empower your team. Consider stakeholder maps and communication plans. Tools like Miro or Lucidchart help you visualize influence and tailor your messaging. For resource management tools like Float, Resource Guru, you can track who's available, who's overloaded, and how to allocate work fairly. In terms of personal productivity and career tools, well, these are all for talking about you. These tools help you stay sharp and build your brand as a PM. LinkedIn. Share wins, insights, and lessons learned. Build visibility as a strategic thinker. There's ChatGPT and Copilot, where you can use AI to draft emails, brainstorm risks, or prepare for stakeholder meetings. There's Calendly, Google Calendar, where you can schedule meetings without the back and forth. If you want to create visuals, there's tools like Canva and Figma. You can use these for presentations, stakeholder updates, or even your resume. So wrapping this all up, here's the truth. Tools don't make the PM. You do, but knowing how to use them strategically, well, that's what gets you noticed. If you're in a support role and ready to step up, start by mastering these tools. Pick one category this week and go deep. Build something, share it, show your leadership. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, I'd really appreciate if you'd subscribe for regular videos that help you go from undervalued to unstoppable. And if you know of a tool that you're used to, that you love, that's really saved you time as a project manager or in any support role that you're in, go ahead and drop a comment down below and let us all know about it. That way we share the knowledge and we support each other, and it's a win-win, win-win-win-win-win for the total number of subscribers I have. Till next time, bye.